So you want to solve number 26 on the homework. Before you begin to solve number 26, you need to really understand what you're solving. As we see here in our triangle, we're missing the hypotenuse of it. But we also have this angle here and this side here. So how can we solve it? Well, we have to go down to our three principles here, SOHCAHTOA. Since we have the opposite side of our angle here, and we are looking for the hypotenuse, we can use sine. Here's the equation we're going to set up here. Sine 1822 over x. That's the sine of our angle. And our opposite over our hypotenuse. To solve this, we're going to have to multiply both sides here by x to simplify it down. Once we do that, we get to this equation here. Sine 18x is equal to 22. But how do we go from there? We divide both sides by sine 18. And if we put that into our calculator here, you'll see that x, or the hypotenuse side, is equal to 71.2.
Okay, so today we'll be doing problem 41 on the homework. So, problem 41 says that there is a roller coaster that has 375 feet of track. Okay, so that's going to be our track. That ascends at a 55-degree angle of elevation to the top before the first and highest drop. Okay, so that's our angle of elevation, and I'm going to write here that this is 375 feet. So right now I'm going to finish this triangle, and I'm going to draw this base right here. That is going to be the length of the roller coaster vertically, and I'm going to draw this height. So I'm just going to call this H, and we'll just call this B. Okay. So in this equation, it says, well, the problem says to determine the height of the roller coaster. So right now we're going to try to find H. So in order to find H, we got to use sine. So one equation that we can use is sine of 55 is equal to opposite H over hypotenuse 375. So we can remember this by SOHCAHTOA, and we can do the SOH, sine opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to multiply 375 on both sides, 375, and we're going to write out 375 times the sine of 55 equals H. Alright, so now we're going to type this out in our calculator. It's going to be sine 55 times 375 equals. Now the height of the roller coaster we get is 307.2. We'll round to the 10th. So our answer is going to be H equals 307.2.